Alrighty, so we have our GoPro. This is the mini, I believe they call it, but it's kind of an older type of GoPro. And so we're gonna put it on the bottom of the drone because the top, if you put it like this on the top, you'll see part of the drone, and I don't think that's a good idea. So we're gonna put it on the bottom, and I'm gonna try to put it where the center of gravity is. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put it on top of the GoPro and just keep moving it over until it starts to fall. And that right there, that point right there where it fell, around the edge, that's the center of gravity. So I'm gonna take that and put the middle of the GoPro right there. So now the middle of the GoPro is on the center of gravity of the drone. So next I'm gonna take some invisible tape. So we're gonna have the GoPro facing down, so then you can see the ground, otherwise you're also gonna see the top of the drone. So it's gonna go like this. So this would be the top where this button is. So I'm gonna take my piece of tape I just so happened to have gotten now. We're gonna tape it to the side of the GoPro, to the drone, and over. And the reason I picked this type of tape is because this tape doesn't usually leave adhesive or sticky stuff to whatever it sticks to. And I don't want sticky stuff sticking to my drone, so we're just gonna use this tape, even though it's not like as strong as duct tape or gaff tape or any of that other type of tape. And keep in mind that the GoPro is now covering the vents on the bottom of the drone, so it won't be as cool. So if it's a really hot day or something, just maybe this wasn't a good idea or something. So the theory is the drone will fly, take pictures of the ground, but the main question in this video is, can the drone pick up this weight to be able to take the video? So it was kind of windy outside, so we're kind of we're not gonna fly it outside. But here we're inside doing this test, and we're gonna hit these 3 dots up here, go down to Advanced Safety Settings, click that, and at the bottom it says Payload Mode. This mode probably should only be enabled when using accessories like propeller guards and then there's nothing else. So I'm gonna click that, and we're gonna see what happens.
Takeoff. AVI mode.
So you can see that it's hovering right there with the GoPro. It even moves. That's nice. So yes.
Landing.
So yes, the drone will fly with the GoPro. Yeah, it worked really well actually. But it took off nicely, and it was making a good amount of noise, and it's gonna drain the battery like really quickly because the GoPro itself is probably like 3/4 the weight of the drone, so did a pretty good job of picking that up, which I was impressed. But that was all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed.